Greetings, fashion enthusiasts. This is PrestigeStyleHub, your go-to place for everything stylish. We're dedicated to bringing you the latest and most fashionable trends. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and give us a like. Today, we're diving into the world of women's streetwear, so stay tuned. First up, we have the classic denim look. This outfit screams casual yet chic. Imagine high-waisted jeans paired with a cropped top, topped off with an oversized denim jacket. The versatility of this ensemble is unmatched, easily accessorized to fit any occasion. This look is perfect for those casual weekend outings or even a casual Friday at work. Next, we have the sporty chic look. Picture this: snug joggers, a breezy tank top, topped off with a long-line bomber jacket. This ensemble marries comfort and style effortlessly, making it ideal for a casual day out or even a vigorous workout. This look is a must-have for all the sporty ladies out there. Lastly, we have the edgy look. Imagine black ripped jeans paired with a bold graphic tee, topped off with a sleek leather jacket. Amp it up with combat boots and statement accessories for that extra edge. This look is perfect for those who want to stand out and make a bold fashion statement. And that's a wrap on today's video. We've explored 3 diverse streetwear outfits: the timeless denim ensemble, the sporty chic vibe, and the edgy aesthetic. Infuse them with your personal style and make a statement. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to experiment. Until next time, stay stylish.